What's up, guys? We're doing a continuation model right now. I think we were coming out of this 5 minute gap, or maybe it's this 15. But what we have here was had this 1 minute, some type of news came out. I don't know what it was, but it really boomed the market when I thought we were going to keep continuing on the downside. So I have 4 contracts in on EMS, which is ES, but it's the smaller version. We have these double tops here. I know the market wants to grab, so I have 2 sell orders right here. We're trading live as we speak. I want to get these sell orders ordered and then secure half this profit, and then I have the other 2 up here. Very small trade today. I'm not looking for home runs. If we can hit these 2 up here, I will probably be around $500-600 today. We'll see. Once this does hit, I'm going to cancel this stop loss order. So if this comes all the way down, hits this stop loss with the 4, then it sells all 4 of my contracts and we are out of the trade. If this hits the sell limit right here, it sells 2 of my contracts. I will bring 2 sell stops up here to break even, and hopefully it just keeps running and I don't have to have a break even day, but we'll see. So I will sit here with you guys until we fully see what the trade does. This risk to reward management is like a 1-to-1, not very good. We should see this hit these double tops here in just a moment. And at that point, I'll show you how to manage the trade. Managing the trade is very important. I'm going to have to look and see what news broke for us to get this huge pump. Probably something to deal with Iran, the Strait of Hormuz. It could be anything. The summer market's just been absolutely wild lately. All right, so we're going to cancel this order, and then we'll move this to maybe our swing low here. You have this, you have a swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high. Hopefully we make it all the way up there. That's what our plan is. So if not, we will sell these 2 contracts for a small loss, but probably profit on the day. I believe this will hit these highs over here. So let's check the hourly time frame. We can even bring it down to here because we have a unmitigated 1-hour FEG. So 1-hour FEG. And it's unmitigated. So this is red alert here. So we could see a reversion right up here at the top. We are slowing on volume. It's 11:30. So we'll see what happens today. I'll let this trade play out and give you guys a screenshot of what happens later. All right, guys, I'm back. What a crazy day. I actually took a look at the news. We had a huge pump up to this upside. If you look at NQ, NQ was absolutely dumping this morning. That's almost 350 points. That's insane. So let's go back to the trade I was taking earlier. I did get out a second contract. My second half of the contracts, it was my take profit was right here where this 1-hour FEG was at. I noticed when I went to lunch, came back and seen some massive consolidation and slowing here, rejection wicks. Not really sure why we couldn't get an extra little push, but I didn't trust it. And then there was a massive 1-minute inversion up here right at this peak. I got out right here. So ended up sealing the day with about $330 profit. Had a really slow week for my first week on YouTube. I think I ended with around 800, 850, which is good. Green week is a good week. So what triggered the trade? Huge push. We're looking for a change of structure, which we have here on this 5 minute time frame here. Looking for a 1 minute inversion out of this 5 minute FEG, which we got. We didn't get an inversion, but we got a very strong candle. So this candle completely gave this an order block and started pushing up to the upside. This is where I entered at, and I took a, let's see, check the ratios. So I ended up at about right here is where I ended my trade. This candle over here. So that was a 1 to almost 2. Let's see here. I had it, my stop loss was at the bottom of this 5. So 1 to 1.63 ratio, which is good. You know, that's awesome. I think today was very solid, and I will actually wanted to show you one more thing. That's what I was thinking of. This is called the AMD model. So you have, it's called accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. And what that looks like is we have a lot of accumulation here, and then manipulation to the upside, and then you come back and get some distribution. So I'm sure there is an entry on this downside. I never trade the afternoon. I like to just get in and out. But let's go down to the 15. Look at this. Haven't even looked at this yet. You have a huge 15-minute candle for the distribution side, and you have a perfect 1 minute FEG. You can even go down to here. And look how beautiful that is, guys. It almost hit low of the day. What a gorgeous trade. That's at 136. So there's a way to make money in and out of this market. So stay tuned. Check out the ICT series. Episode 1's out. Episode 2 is coming out tomorrow. And stay with us. Continue trading, and we're going to make everyone profitable together.